First of all, thank you so much. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you to Team Femina. I think my association with Femina doesn't go back just to the cover that we did last year, but I'm sure as a girl, it's Femina is deeply rooted with all of us. I'm sure. So right from college days and all, this is one magazine. Like, of course, when you enter this industry, you get introduced and you're more aware in terms of magazines and fashion and all. But Femina is one magazine that I'm sure every girl could easily relate to. So for me, when this opportunity came that they're launching beauty magazine and I'll be the cover girl for the launch, I was really excited. And I'm sure the pictures, the photo shoot, and I've seen the pictures. I may sound a little immodest, but I love them. And yes, the cover, they still kept a surprise. I don't know which is the cover picture. So, and it's very interesting, the idea what Tanya was sharing with us, that to get yourself to see, to be seen in a different look which you don't expect probably out of yourselves, that is something pretty challenging and very interesting. So let's see. Thank you so much. It was really lovely. So I think I love them all. I love the updo. I think the messy updo. That's because I used to always shirk away from updos. I thought no, those nice wavy hairs. It's the safest. It's the prettiest, which I'm sure every girl relates to. But that was something when I saw it. I think I totally loved it, and I said if I was a Catholic, I would have done that on the wedding. So yeah, I'll go with the wetness. Yeah. Anything which is effortless and comes easy is something I prefer. Which is I don't like too much heavy makeup. I don't like doing too much with my face, or of course hair needs to be at least a nice blow dry. If I'm not working, I'm absolutely comfortable with my skin with no makeup. But otherwise, minimalistic, I think that's the best. And as much as you can keep your skin healthy internally, I think that's what reflects. So
what
that's
is the
really
secret behind this lovely glowing skin? Go on.
I think I'll thank my mother for this. We are from Himachal, so I think that little genes. I think it does. I think it's helped a bit. Two names. I really like Tyra Banks. I think she's amazing. She's somebody who can carry any look, and she's extremely comfortable with herself, with her skin, with her body. And Victoria Beckham. I think I love the confidence. I love the fact that she knows what she is, but I don't see that loud attitude anywhere. And so these two women, I think I really appreciate in terms of style. It will be the first year of this magazine, and as much love you've shown to Femina, please show to its new baby, which is just going to get launched very soon. And extremely special, I'm sure, as you've loved Femina over the years for what it is, for its originality, for its real facts. I think it's what people really like is that they can easily relate to it, and I think it's really. You can really rely on it. So I think the same would be with Femina, yes, Salon Spa, and yes, I'm sure you know. I'm still very simple. I'm very desi at heart. Trust me, I am. I'm still somebody who loves having bread pakora and chai. So I think that's very simple. That's and I think my best friends are still my best friends who've been there for like past 15 years. Of course, the little, sometimes you want that privacy, yes, I do miss that, but having said that, I think if that is not there, I'm sure that you'll strike, nobody's looking at me, I'm not that important. But yeah, I don't get it to an extent, I'm not somebody who loves too much attention, honestly, as a person. But the field that I'm in, of course, you're totally out there, so it's on you how you want to strike a balance between your personality and the industry that I'm working in. So I think I should be able to manage it. दोनों की यही बात पसंद है, वो किसी को कॉपी नहीं करते और मुझे नहीं, I don't know what is it like copying somebody. I think yeah, if I really like something जो किसी ने पहना है और at least it is something worth inspiring you, why not? इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. So that's what I think these two ladies especially, I think they're very original, and that's what I like, being original. And I think today's time we're very lucky that we're not restricted to any particular kind of style. We have access to almost, I'm sure, every designer across the globe, and you have n number of stylists in today's time. You have internet, you have all these things. So amidst all that, I think to retain your originality, your personality, with a hint of course, something like that, what we've done, which is different for your personality. I think it's all very interesting. So yeah, so you have everything just mix and happen. I don't know how to answer this. Too modest for me to answer. I think as far as what I have understood, I think as what a cover means, of course it means a lot to the actor, it means a lot to me. This really meant a lot to me. But as far as I'm concerned as a person, I'm sure with a brief association, I'm sure Tanya knows that I'm not somebody, I really don't know. I know it, but I may sound a little immodest. That I'm not somebody who will go out there and I'm a very just आप बोल रहे हैं very trying too hard to maintain public relations or something. Of course, एक cordial relation होता है जो almost सभी के साथ है, but इस level पे नहीं है that I want like we met before on an event, but it was absolutely I think wonderful meeting her. It was very cordial, but not that it was on the basis of we'll have this in future. This was just not expected out of that meeting or association. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपको इस तरह की opportunities मिले आपके काम के basis पर और that's how Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I think he's somebody who's really evolved himself over decades. I think in this industry what is really important is to keep evolving with time, with characters. Not just with films, but even off-screen. If you see him from where he started to where he is right now, I think he's somebody who's shown really everybody different avatars on screens and off screens, and I think that's really commendable to keep evolving, to keep growing every day. So I'm sure, and he's somebody whom you can relate with every brand, right from up there to a mass brand. So I think he's somebody who can easily. That will be very again because we went for something like this because it's so different from me. It'll be very interesting cover, I think.
Someone who we can see paired opposite you? They are pushing you.
Okay, I'm gonna try to catch. I think they're all great. I think today the amount of newcomers, of course, which of course I'm a part of it. It's amazing to see that there's so much talent, and I also see very healthy competition. I don't see it negative at all. I think it in fact it challenges and pushes you more to work even more harder. You don't take your success of work for granted because you know there's everybody out there, so you always need to be on. But Total Syapa अभी सिर्फ ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ है and I'm very happy जिस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स ऑनलाइन मिल रहा है. I think that's the biggest encouragement. So I'm really looking forward कि फिल्म को कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा. हमने फिल्म देखी है, of course बहुत पसंद है. And it comes from very intelligent filmmakers. E. Nivas ने direct की है and from Neeraj Pandey has written it and it's Ali Zafar and the whole team. It was an absolutely delight to work with all of them. और इस तरह का response भी मिलना तो of course it's very encouraging. And for Action Jackson again, I'm going to start shooting this month. और बहुत excited हूँ to work with Ajay Sir, Mr. Ajay Devgan and Prabhu Sir is going to be directing it. So it's going to be something again very different and I'm really looking forward to it. I think if I would have been in hurry, of course, I would have had, I wouldn't have taken a little time to sign my next film. I took my time and I'm not in hurry at all. I'm more here to have a certain quality and body of work than the quantity of films that I've done. I think that's more important. और आजकल की ऑडियंस भी बहुत इस चीज़ को एक्नॉलेज और अप्रिशिएट करती है. They respect you for the kind of work that you want to do. और and I'm very happy कि जिन फिल्मों के साथ मेरा नाम जुड़ा है that I'll be working on them and I'm really hoping that people will really enjoy these films.